picked a gun and then I dropped it.
No.
You didn't know? Wait for
Alright,
the camera.
ready? You want to get in a fight?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, here we go. Oh no.
I almost missed. Oh god. Oh no. Oh.
Do it to me, ready? Do it to me. That probably looked really weird. How do you want it? I want it fried. How do you like it? I like it with rice. How much do you eat it? I eat it all the time. Chicken, 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 that's right. Love it when churches do the special just for me. I only pay $1 for any 2-piece. Can't choose 5 different sides, including greens and baked beans. It's finger licking good, and it makes me wanna scream. How do you want it? I want it fried. How do you like it? I like it with rice. How much do you eat it? I eat it all the time. Chicken, 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 that's right. Pulled up to Pop drive-through, said that they were closed. I pulled up to the window and I asked for the manager, Joe. Took my order right.